Webflow is a powerful web design tool that empowers users to create responsive websites without the need to write code. In this tutorial, we'll guide beginners through the essential features of Webflow, focusing on building a responsive design from start to finish. First, let's start by creating an account. Head over to the Webflow website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, which is your central hub for creating new projects, accessing templates, and managing your sites. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where all your Webflow projects will live. Now that you're in the dashboard, it's time to start your first project. Click on Create New Project and choose whether you want to start with a blank site or use one of the available templates. After naming your project, you'll enter the Webflow Designer interface, which is where all the magic happens. In the Designer interface, the left panel contains tools for adding elements like divs, buttons, and text. Meanwhile, the right panel allows you to style these elements using CSS properties. These two panels are essential to your workflow, so make sure to get comfortable navigating between them. Webflow makes it easy to build your site using drag-and-drop functionality. Simply select elements like headings, paragraphs, images, or buttons from the left panel and drop them onto your canvas. One important concept to grasp is working with classes. Classes allow you to style multiple elements consistently across your website. For example, if you want all your buttons to have the same color and font size, you can apply a class to each button and update the styling in one go. This will save you a lot of time and help maintain a uniform design throughout your site. Responsive design is a crucial part of modern web development. Webflow makes this easy by allowing you to customize your design for different screen sizes using breakpoints. Breakpoints let you adjust styles for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. To create a responsive layout, utilize grids and Flexbox. These tools help you build fluid designs that adapt seamlessly across devices. You can also test your site's responsiveness by switching between different views within the designer interface. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to publish your website. Webflow allows you to publish directly from the platform. But before going live, make sure to preview your site on various devices to ensure it looks great everywhere. To publish, simply click the Publish button and your site will be live on the Webflow subdomain. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it in the project settings. Learning Webflow doesn't stop here. There are plenty of resources to deepen your understanding. Explore video tutorials on platforms like YouTube for both beginner and advanced topics. Additionally, check out comprehensive courses that walk you through building specific types of websites from scratch. With practice and the right resources, you'll soon become proficient in Webflow and be able to create stunning, responsive websites tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide to Webflow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more web design tutorials.